Look at these two houses. They look the same, don't they? But using a thermal camera, we discover important differences. With thermal imaging, we can locate thermal leaks through several fixing points. That is why CELO develops professional insulation fixings that guarantee the optimal thermal insulation. Our cost-efficient solutions save you installation time and energy costs, while ensuring the highest energy efficiency of your buildings. Fixings designed to withstand all sorts of loads, be used on most types of insulation, and meet the most demanding requirements. And above all, they prevent thermal bridges for a more comfortable building that uses less energy. Because losing even 1 degree of heat can be a problem, you must take care of every detail on the installations. Our high-quality nylon fixings made in Germany are quick to install and at the same time prevent thermal bypass. The best way to ensure an efficient job and eco-friendly thermal protection. Because we know that very small things can make a big difference to hold our world together and make it work. Things sometimes as small as a screw. CELO. Small things matter.